A high school student in Tennessee received a brief in-school suspension for saying "bless you" to a fellow student who sneezed. Kendra Turner is a senior at Dyer County High School. Local media outlets confirmed Turner's computer teacher told her she banned the phrase "bless you" because it should only be allowed in church. The teacher banned some non-religious phrases too, like "my bad" or "hang out." On her Facebook page this week, Turner says her teacher told her, "We do not do godly speaking in my class. I stood up for my belief and said I have a constitutional right to speak about my God." The Dyersburg State Gazette reports the school says the incident is about distraction, not a religious issue. The principal stated, "Sometimes people spin things and turn them to make them seem one way, but I cannot discuss anything specific in order to protect the child."